guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, in the last episode you saw me decorate my 2019 Christmas tree. Today we are going to work on the next section and I am going to show you how to make a centerpiece for your coffee table, dining room table, buffet table, sofa table. Pretty much this can go anywhere that is a table. So let's get started. So typically this is my prep table when I'm decorating for Christmas, but I just wanted to get it finished and have that task done. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dust it because, as you can imagine, black furniture gets dirty very quick. So I like these Swiffer dusters. This is not sponsored, although if they wanted to send me free Swiffer dusters, that is completely up to them. So what I'm going to start off with is this beautiful table runner that you guys have seen, oh gosh, probably the last 3 years. It's very versatile because it's white. So I just love the detail work on this. This is actually from Pier 1 a couple years ago. They did have it last year, so there's a good chance they will have it this year. Now what I'm going to start out by doing is making sure that this is centered in all directions possible. There is nothing more nerve-wracking than trying to get this centered after it is completely decorated. Alright, we did good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my antler candle holders that I got from Pottery Barn and I'm going to center them. This seam in the table runner is directly in the center of the table from what I can see. Oh, let's hope that I'm not going back on what I just said about making sure everything's centered. These are faux antlers, so Bambi was not harmed in the making of this video. So that's nice, I like that. Now, since my color scheme is black and white this year, I have this black candle holder. Now, you've probably seen this in my home tour over the summer. So I'm just going to place that in the center. What I'm trying to do is make sure that the candles are going to be lined up in a row in the center of the table. So you might have to do like an overview. Okay, so now I'm going to come in with these birch candles that I got at these are from Pottery Barn. For some reason, this one is crooked. I don't know why. I don't know if I dropped it at some point. So see, the candle is actually supposed to be here, but it's back here. I got cardboard. Hold on a second. Using brown cardboard, this is a brown candle, so I don't think that you're going to actually see it too much. And then for the center, I'm just going to use a off-white ivory colored candle. What I'm going to do is just use a flocked branch piece. And what I'm going to do is just tuck it in here. Kind of manipulate the branches. I'll probably go out on that side and view it. And that is it. I am all finished. This year, since I'm going with a simple, clean looking theme, I'm going to add too much to this. I'm not going to add anything actually. This is all done. Now, this is very pet friendly, child friendly. These are flameless, so I mean, like, look, you can literally touch them and you're fine. You're good to go. Do you think the simplicity of this is still enough to bring in the Christmas spirit? I'd love to hear what you guys think. All right, and don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, we're going to tackle this corner over here. Can't wait to show you what I have planned. All right, I'll see you in the next video and Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.